Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. It's my pleasure to share my speech entitled Inspire and Encourage with a Warm Heart. It's obvious that life has its ebbs and flows. When things are going well, a small act of kindness is like a cherry on top, while in the opposite situation, it can be a godsend. No matter when the kindness shows up, it happens thanks to someone's generous and kind spirit. However, keeping a generous and kind spirit isn't always easy. The world often shows its cruelty, and the news is full of stories of people hurting each other. Sometimes, choosing to be kind can even feel cruel to ourselves. Therefore, is having a generous and kind spirit really necessary? Whether or not to be kind is our choice, but staying kind will eventually make you shine. With your warm heart, you might save someone who's in difficult situation, even with just one sentence. Kindness is a magical circuit. A generous and kind spirit will become a natural part of yourself, and you'll become a better person because of it. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day.